It's me, Jimmy. Make sure to check out the Skillshare in the comment box below. I'm teaching on Skillshare. If you turn on the high ISO noise reduction, go to menu, the first tab of image quality, page 2. So yeah, normally, I mean, if you go minus, if you go with the minus, it will not try to. I mean, there will be a lot of grain, but I prefer that one also. Compared to +4, it will smooth out. I do not like it, to be honest with you. Mostly I will stay under 0 or at 0. I will never go +1, +2 because the 12,800 ISO is amazing on this camera. It's amazing on this camera. That's why I really don't have to use the ISO noise reduction. You can check out my channel MBA Market Business Africa, where I talk about my African business journey and give you tips and tricks on how to start a business in East and West Africa. And also check out my travel channel Outing Journal, where I love to travel with my wife around the world. My wife is diagnosed with the retinal pigmentosa, so she is like now 75% technically blind, but still we are not giving our hope. As you can see, my wife is half blind. You can check out this video. Also make sure to check out my Spider-Man review. This is Outing Journal. Also check out my online travel magazine Outing Journal, where I love to write about travel article, travel story, for example such as this one. I love travel writing. I want to become one of the best travel writer out there. And I'm also teaching on Skillshare. Please check out the Skillshare. I'm giving you a 1 month free trial. Here's my course on Skillshare. More courses are upcoming on Skillshare. I'm teaching on Skillshare. And also check out my courses on Udemy. Yes, my courses on Udemy. I have around 4 courses, over 20,000 students. Most of my courses are going quite well. Make sure to support me on Skillshare and Udemy. That's all. Keep going on. Never stop learning. Learn until you die. Bye.